Join us in this mouth-watering journey as we show you just how simple it is to make perfectly roasted peppers with minimal ingredients and steps. You'll be enjoying the savory treat in no time. Let's begin. After 4 minutes, this is how they look. And it's time to turn them. Put it back. Continue flipping. Roasted red peppers have a rich, sweet, and slightly smoky aroma that's incredibly mouth-watering. Doesn't that look delicious? Get ready to savor the rich flavors of roasted peppers in every bite. Discover the versatile world of roasted peppers and learn how to use them to enhance your dishes with a burst of smoky, sweet flavor. Subscribe for more tasty recipes and cooking tips.